Good morning. So today I am going to have a little fun. I am going to buy another project. Yep, another one. This one is actually for a client, so it is mandatory that I do it. Can't even help myself. I can't even. What's the word? Anyways, so we're going to take a look at it. It's a pretty cool truck, I think. I think they're pretty popular. Everybody wants them. It's not a Dodge, not a Chevy. It's a GMC. So we're gonna go see what kind of shape it's in. Make the guy an offer. And see if we take it home today. Alright, see you in a second. I think it looks pretty darn good. You can see this is little rust on the hood. The hood, I don't know, I might be able to replace that metal and keep the hood, or I'll find a new hood. I think need to fix up these fenders here. Overall, I think it's not bad. Frame looks pretty good. There's brake problems, but it's a 1974, so I think this is gonna be pretty decent. Interior needs a little work, but overall, pretty good. Red seat. Well, I think it's pretty damn good. We're gonna let it warm up a little bit, and then we're gonna drive it home. I bought it. Yeah, I smell something. I'm gonna have to stop and check. Rebuild the motor, put a bigger cam in it. This thing should hop pretty good. Should have sent me back. It's a 454. It's just not performing right, but it will. I promise you that. This thing's gonna be sick. Just right now, it's feeling a little sick. Let's give it some medicine. Dual exhaust. Yeah, I think it's leakers. He says it's the exhaust manifold. I don't know. I haven't really looked, so I can't tell you. What we're gonna do. But this is gonna be a sick truck. I'm not gonna lie. That should have, I mean, I stomped it from a stop. That should have lit them up, but it didn't. Okay, we are home safe. There she is, sitting pretty. Yeah, I know. Lots of work. Man, that's gonna be so cool. One sec. So there's the magic. Once that's done, there's a few problems with it. A little bit of wiring. Actually, the wiring isn't bad. I just want to clean it all up. But look at this. I mean, remember? Look at this. It's like There's so much space in here to do anything we want. Keep it so clean. Gonna try and clean this whole place up. Get rid of all of the surface rust, and that's what it is. It's all surface rust. Back when they used to make trucks